Hi, this is Zaal with A2K Partners, here to present our submission for the 2021 Converge Hackathon. Quick view of our team. Myself, the co-founder of A2K Partners. We've got Juan Porta, our lead developer, and Scott Edwards, one of our senior consultants. As we were watching Converge, there's been a problem that we've been trying to solve, or actually working to solve, with one of our customers. Basically, they have a static deployed Windows environment, Windows and Ubuntu, and they are managing backups on these statically assigned boxes by using AWS snapshots. The downside to that is they have to be centrally managed. Any restores required. Going back from a snapshot back to the instance is a little bit difficult. And so the customer was looking for a self-service restore because these guys obviously kind of are always tinkering on their boxes, and sometimes they lock up and they'd rather restore back to a certain point. As we're watching Converge, the CVAD APIs caught our eyes, and so we decided to take on this challenge and solve this problem using Lambda, CVAD, and micro apps. Also, we decided to build a help desk solution so that it would simplify even the help desk ability to restore users if you don't want to deploy the self-service to every user in the environment. With that, we'll go to our demo. What we have is in our Citrix environment, we've got 4 micro apps that we've built. And those 4 micro apps are broken out into admin micro apps and the self-service. So for the self-service, what we built is a My Instances micro app that actually lets the user see all of the instances they have, what their status is, what the size box that it's running on. And then from there, they can actually drill into that specific instance and see all the snapshots that are there available that have been taken of that instance. And then from there, that user has the ability to self-service, pick a specific time slice of the snapshot that was taken and go back to it by just selecting that snapshot, clicking restore. They get one more warning before doing it. And then when they click yes, what the micro app environment does is it launches a restore task for that user. And then as that restore task is executing, once it's complete, the user can go into My Restore Tasks and actually see all of the restores that they've done and when they were done on that box, which box it was done on, if they have more than one box. And then also they get notifications on their home screen when the restore task is done, so they know when to go back into their box. On the admin side, we have the ability to go into instances like we do for the My Instances, but here the help desk can actually focus in on specific people. By using the multi-select, they can actually, filter down all of the instances to just the people they're kind of looking at. And then from there, they can actually do the exact same thing as if they were the user by clicking on their instance, selecting the snapshot they want to restore, and choosing to restore it or not. From a admin restore task perspective, they can actually see all of the restores that have happened, when they happened, and at what point in time they happened. So they know what boxes have been restored, when they were restored, and as before, they can actually filter down to specific people, a person or persons, using the multi-select. On the home screen, we've got notifications that let you know that the restore was completed for a specific person. These are the help desk notifications. And then you also have the self-service notification that lets you know your box is ready to go. The way we've done this is by using AWS Lambda functions. The key one is AWS tag all Citrix instances, which uses the machine catalog APIs to collect all the data about the instance and then match it up to AWS so that they can tag it with the username and user email. This then allows us to filter on the micro app environment and allow those users to actually execute tasks in AWS without having to be in AWS. With that, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much. And we're very excited about this infrastructure because it actually allows us to truly control Citrix and AWS. So the expansion of this micro app ecosystem is definitely on our roadmap.